Stephen Taylor. I am the Director for Research, Monitoring and Evaluation in the National Department of Basic Education, based in Pretoria, and I'm here in Durban today, where I've been participating in a great workshop with officials working in education across the province here in KZN. And I was presenting on some research that we've led as the National Department on reading. It's called the Funda Uphumelele National Survey, where we measured across the country the percentage of children who are reaching key benchmarks for their early grade reading. So we know in South Africa, and have known for some time now, that we have a challenge with reading with meaning by the end of the foundation phase. But what this study, Funda Uphumelele, did was it really wanted to understand what's happening with reading in grades 1, 2, and 3 in terms of the skills, the early skills of reading that build towards this important outcome of reading with comprehension by the time you get to, say, grade 4. So I've been sharing those results, and I hope that it helps the province identify what needs to be done in the next few years, and ultimately to improve the important outcome of reading, which is so important for staying in school, reaching matric, passing matric, and doing really well at that level.